Hello, my name is Cindy and welcome to my channel. If it's your first time to this channel, thank you for stopping by. Recently, I have been sharing some videos about saving money and some helpful tips for us in 2022. So thank you for watching this. I do have a playlist of the money saving videos if you're interested in those. I also have tips for teachers and some general helpful tips for us as educators, teachers, and just people trying to survive during these really crazy times. Really crazy times. What do I have here in this package? Well, this is one of my money saving tips, also something that I've been interested in trying for health. And I got this on the website mypatriots.com. Okay, I am going to zoom out here. And I'm going to unwrap this. This is an unveiling of this really cool thing that I bought for myself. Okay, Patriot Supply. So last week we went to a class for beginning gardeners and we learned a lot of new tips. Actually, in 2020 I did try this. This is Patriots Seeds 4-tray seed sprouter. Awesome. Okay, so what am I going to do with this? In 2020, I did hear about sprouting and I did try it. You can do sprouting in a mason jar. You can do sprouting in other types of containers. But I saw this lady in this class who used this 4-tray seed sprouter. And I just really liked it, so I figured I would buy one. I looked on Amazon and they did have these, but then I looked on the mypatriots.com and they had it as well, so I got it from them. They also do have seeds that you can get for this seed sprouter. It's really cool. It's kind of like making your own personal sprouts. I think this container here cost me about $15 or $20. It was under 20 definitely. Okay, so it's gonna. All right, so here you go. It's round, okay, and then here's a tray, and you're gonna put that on the bottom, and then you're gonna put water in it and seeds, and each one of these little trays has holes in it. So what you have to do in order to do sprouts is you put the seeds in and then you put the water in. The water kind of filters through. And as was suggested by the lady who taught the class, you could do one tray one day and then another tray the other day and then just keep doing it that way so that you have you can rotate your sprouting. All right, so okay, this one has holes in it as well. So let's look at the directions. It says here, before each use, clean the sprouting trays, reservoir lid, and reservoir base with hot soap and water. Rinse well. And I heard that it's very important to follow the directions because you could have mold problems if you don't. So you can put the seeds in spaced a little bit apart, and you don't want to have too many. This is overcrowded, it says. Then, okay, so those are the large seeds. And then we have the smaller seeds, and then this is overcrowded. So you put in just the right amount. Let's see. Place the reservoir base on the bottom and reservoir lid on the top. Fill the reservoir lid with 2 cups of room temperature water, the water will drip through all the trays. Keep the reservoir lid in place to prevent, I guess that's if you're actually going to fill all the trays. The lady suggested you just do one at a time so that you can stagger their growth. Water seeds 2 to 3 times a day, doing the following with each watering. Drain the water from the reservoir base. Rotate the trays by placing the bottom tray on the top. And finally, add 2 cups of room temperature water to the reservoir lid. And for more information, you can call patriotseeds.com. So that is really cool. So I am going to try that, probably not until next week, because I'm going away for a couple days and I won't be able to be watching over them. So you can get sprouts in a week. Yeah. So this is really cool. I did buy some broccoli seeds, and this says there are 4 ounces of seeds and they will stay up to 5 years if you don't open the package. So that is a really good survival food to, if you want to, save up on survival foods. This one is green lentil. I heard the broccoli ones are really good. Now, I've been watching some videos on YouTube that talk about these different types of seeds. All of the different types of seeds have different properties, vitamins, and everything like that. This says certified organic. They're not, they're not totally cheap. They do cost a little bit of money, but they're pretty cool. I've been also looking into microgreens. I went to a microgreens store a few days ago, and that was really fascinating too. So this here is sprouts, sprouting seeds, and then there's microgreens. And microgreens are a little different, and they are different as you grow them, but they actually have the best properties for health. Some people say that they take the microgreens, throw them into their morning smoothies, and enjoy their smoothies that way. And so there are a lot of ways that we can increase our vitamin intake and work on our health, and sprouting or microgreening are some really good ways to do that. So this video was all about just my package that I got, and hopefully in the future I will make a video all about what it's like to do the actual sprouts, and I might try the microgreens. I heard they're a little tricky. There's a little bit more to it than just sprouting, but it's worth a try. So stay tuned for another video in the future of an update of my progress with sprouts and microgreens. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.